Hello, let's talk about deep learning. Today's my topic is deep learning. What is the deep learning? Before a day, I had no idea about it, but now I had some little bit idea because I'm just reading this book. What is the deep learning? And I'm very excited about it. What is the author said in this book? And I really try I will try to make it easier, and I will try to learn how to make a deep learning. And in fact, I realized it so later. Why this happening with me? Sometimes I never I never aware of this situation. Sometimes I'm aware with this situation, but it's never matter. Just exploring yourself and just becoming knowledgeable, it's not necessary. You have to be comfortable with your zone and do something extraordinary, which is anyone don't do it. Because if you are find yourself copying someone, that it's not necessary, it's not casual. You have to do something extraordinary with your deep learning. Try to understand this word deep learning. You have to focus on yourself with your deep learning. You have to write one things, at least one word with commonly in your copy. And let's take a pen and copy and try to figure out what is the deep learning. How can I do this? How can I implement this in my daily life? Actually, I'm exploring myself with a deep learning something, because before a time I always forget all things. But nowadays I can saw some little bit changes. Some little bit, I can't tell you that I have a huge changes, nothing at all. But I can tell you that in within a 8 month I can see some remarkable results. Some let few, it's okay, no problem, but you have to work with your deep learning. And that is the main problem. We all have a not clarity in our mind that give me a proper solution. This is the reality of our life, because we all human made by our society, our environment. They have no solution, they have always problem, and they never try to find out the solution. They stopped you from asking question. So this type of society I live in. So it's not matter. If you want, then you can achieve. Just explore yourself and just learn and try to understand these things. How can you get it? How can't you get it? Just, I think reading book is most important, and it will give you some idea, some solution. You can say all this, because it will give you confidence, and it will give you courage to fulfill your potential, to face anything, to face anybody. I can face anybody. I can feel courageous, and I can face with my level. I want to face this level, which kind of this kind of technique called challenging. I want to take a challenge, and with deep learning I want to do something with deep learning. What is? I want to learn English, and I want to learn this English deeply, and I want to read many books. But I want to do I want to teach student how do you talk. This habit I think I should generate with my own perspective. I think this is my first step, not last. This is my first step. It would be happen in the future. Now I am not in that position that I can take action, but after a time, after some 2 3 years, I can be able to take action. I'm just try to learn this skill. This is my today's talk. I think it's most important. We all need to understand what is the deep learning. Try to figure out this. Deep learning cannot be learned in a 1 or 2 days. Deep learning is means that you have to stick with your ability, with your skills for a long time, for long of period. This is called a deep learning, and make it so narrow, so narrow, and try to understand so narrow things, and then you get it. I'm not telling you that in your family you can you can solve all narrow things. In family you can ignore it, but in your work you can follow your own narrow situation, your own narrow curriculum. That's maybe a habit, maybe you're working, maybe you're writing skill, maybe you're listening, all about it. I I care my all routine. That is my today's talk. I think it's sometimes it's being so hopeless. It's okay, no problem.